lovers, let me show you how I make this beautiful meat pie that is so amazing with that moist minced beef filling, and also with recipes ingredients you already have in your kitchen. This recipe is absolute, like you don't need any other recipe after this. So come with me, let me show you how I achieved this. I'm going to start by making our filling, and in my pot I'll be frying some garlic and of course some onions. You need to do this when you're cooking any protein of choice, whether fish, beef or chicken. You need to add at least some garlic and some onions. Now go in with your minced beef. I'm using 500 grams of my minced beef. After that, just keep separating it because we don't want it lumpy and all that. Okay, I'm gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper for extra hotness because I love my pies on the balance, not hot and not blank. So is it blank or blanch? I don't know. So here is my ginger powder, some salt. Of course you have to season your filling, and thyme. I don't use curry when I'm making pie, so please, that's just my personal preference. You can choose to add spice, curry and whatever spice you feel like. Added some seasoning, and I'm just stirring everything together to make sure everything is well combined. Cover and let it cook for like 5 minutes until it changes color from pink to this brown color, and then you're going to add in the remaining ingredients. Here I have my diced potatoes, Irish potatoes. They are uncooked actually, and some carrots. So give everything a good stir. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add in our thickener, which is gonna help with our sauce or our filling. I added a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Just keep stirring until it dissolves into the mixture, into the meat, potatoes mixture, and then I'm going to add in some water. You need to add enough water that will make your potatoes cook thoroughly. So after adding water, just stir and cover and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the water has reduced greatly. So I'm gonna check now, and from the looks you can tell my filling is ready. And the reason why I always do the filling first before making the dough is so that the filling can get to cool down before my dough is ready. That way the hot filling will not cook the inside of my pie before it reaches the oven. So once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and make the dough. I mixed a kg of flour and 500 grams of cold butter with little bit of water. Of cold butter and water. Mix everything until you have a dough, and then you're going to roll it out using your pie cutter. Cut out the shape, and then there you have it, guys. Now I'm going to egg wash with 1 egg. This is just to give it that beautiful flaky crust on top and that beautiful golden brown marbles, stretch marks. I don't know what to call it, Sha. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So you just rub that egg on it before you bake in the oven. Depending on the type of oven you have, you can bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or even more. And guys, this is the final product. Look at my pies. Super beautiful to even look at, and I bet you already know that this pie tastes heavenly amazing. Bye.